When working with CAM, have you ever found yourself repeating the same changes to match your machining practices? Or had to deal with a loss of knowledge when your MVP, most valuable programmer, retires or moves? Well, you are in luck because we're about to see how CAMWorks can be the institutional memory for your shop and help you stop programming from scratch. When working with CAMWorks inside SOLIDWORKS Design, we are taking advantage of knowledge-based machining technology, meaning we have machining strategies saved in the CAMWorks Technology Database, or TechDB. When we use CAMWorks to recognize machinable features in a model, those strategies are automatically applied and determine the tools, operations, and toolpaths for machining. These strategies can be modified to match your company's best practices, accelerating your ability to program. Let's see how this process works. To get started with the TechDB knowledge transfer, we're going to use a model that already has the machining completed. These operations have been modified from the default rough finish strategy to match our company's best practices for pass depth, island machining, step over, as well as feeds and speeds. Now we need to add these best practices to the TechDB. We'll start in the CAMWorks feature tree, right mouse click on the desired machinable feature, and select Save Operation Plan. When the Save to Database Property Manager opens, we can either create a new feature condition or overwrite the existing feature condition. Here's a pro tip. Always create a new feature condition with a new strategy name. This preserves the default strategies in the TechDB for future use. We'll name our strategy Rough Finish GoE, set it as the default machining strategy, and hit OK. This brings up the Create Feature Condition dialog. We can see the feature details at the top and the feature conditions at the bottom. Here is your second pro tip of the video. Since this is going to be the default strategy, make sure to increase the size of the box width and feature depth to much larger numbers. The software automatically inputs the width and depth of the feature in the current model. I'll use the default 1000 millimeters for both values and hit OK to add the strategy. When completed, we can see our feature updates with the new strategy name. Now we'll open another model with the same stock material assigned and has blind rectangular pockets to machine. When we extract machinable features using CAMWorks, you can see our new strategy is automatically applied. If we review the roughing operation, we can see the same changes to pass depth, island machining, step over, and feeds and speeds. Not only have we programmed this part quickly, but the knowledge you just captured now works for everyone on your team automatically, ensuring consistent results with all future programming. Mastering this powerful tool requires commitment. GoEngineer has the resources to help your company achieve that goal. As you can see, we have a variety of online tools available. GoEngineer also offers unlimited access to our supported self-paced training courses, including CAMWorks, to accelerate your team's proficiency with the TechDB and knowledge-based machining. To really jumpstart transferring your knowledge to the CAMWorks TechDB, schedule an application mentoring session to scope out how GoEngineer can help you implement the TechDB to meet your shop floor needs.